Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use absolute and fixed custom positioning in Elementor. This feature gives you complete control over where elements appear on your page, allowing you to create unique layouts that break free from the standard column structure. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. This will create a new blank page for you to work with. After the page is created, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click it. This launches the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, you'll see a left panel filled with various widgets that you can add to your page. For this tutorial, we'll use an image widget as our example, but keep in mind that this positioning technique works with any widget in Elementor. Click on the image widget or simply drag it from the left panel into a section or column on your canvas. This places the widget into your page structure. Once the image widget is on your canvas, you'll see an option that says Choose Image. Click on it and you'll be presented with two choices. You can either upload a new file directly from your computer or select an image from your existing media library. Browse through your options, and when you've found the perfect image, click Select to confirm your choice with your image now in place. It's time to adjust the positioning settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab within the widget settings. You'll find this tab at the top of the left panel. Within the Advanced section, look for an option labeled Position. Click on it to reveal a submenu with several positioning options, including Default, Absolute, and Fixed. Each of these options changes how the element behaves on your page. For this tutorial, go ahead and choose Fixed. The fixed position locks the element in place relative to the viewport, meaning it stays in the same spot even when visitors scroll up or down the page. This is particularly useful for creating sticky elements like floating contact buttons or persistent navigation menus. Here's where things get really interesting. Once you've selected fixed positioning, you'll notice that you can now click and drag the widget freely anywhere on the canvas. This freedom allows you to position your element exactly where you want it without being constrained by columns or sections. Take your time to find the perfect spot that complements your overall design. Before you finish up, make sure to save your work. Look toward the upper right corner of the page and click Save Draft, which you'll find right beside the Publish button. This ensures all your positioning changes are preserved. And that's it. You've now unlocked the power of custom positioning in Elementor, giving you far more creative control over your page layouts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.